Hi viewers, this is Swati. Welcome back to Amma's Kitchen Khazana, and today's recipe is all about a healthy dish which is pronounced as quinoa or quinoa. Coming to the healthy benefits of quinoa, it contains complete proteins and it's high in fiber and it is also high in minerals. There are different types of minerals available in quinoa. It's iron, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, zinc, calcium and many more. So these many things are available in quinoa. So let's check it out how to prepare quinoa khichdi. So let's start with the recipe. So initially we need 3 by 4th cup of quinoa seeds. It has to be soaked for about 10 minutes. At the same time take half cup of moong dal and wash it once and soak moong dal also for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of soaking of quinoa seeds, it must be washed thrice with the help of a strainer as shown in the video. Take 1 cup of green peas and wash it once and then steam this for about 15 minutes. Take 1 cup of green peas and for this also steaming must be done. After 5 minutes of steaming of green peas, add green beans also into this. Here why I am mentioning this time lapse is so that the green beans will not be overcooked. So while steaming, first add green peas and then only add green beans and cook for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, take a cooker, add 1 tablespoon of ghee into it. Once the ghee is melted, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. And once it starts spluttering, then add half teaspoon of cumin seeds and few curry leaves. This curry leaves really enhance the flavor. Then add 1 green chilli or 2 as per your taste and the spiciness. And then add 2 red chillies. Add 1 by 4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt and then mix it well. After mixing it well, add 1 by 4 teaspoon of hing and again mix it well. Now it's time to add soaked quinoa and moong dal into this. Once it is added, add 2 cups of water and mix well. And for the adjustment of taste, just taste it once and if salt is required, you can add the salt. Otherwise, it's not required. Once it starts rolling boil as shown in the video, and then close the lid and cook for about 3 whistles and post 3 whistles, turn it to low flame and then cook for another 5 minutes and turn it off. Meanwhile, transfer the steamed ingredients into a bowl and into this add 1 chopped green chilli and 1 by 4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt. Next into this add 1 full lemon juice. Here the taste of the lemon juice really enhances the taste of the quinoa khichdi. Then last and final ingredient is the carrot. Here we have to grate the carrot. We should not slice the carrot. As I am showing in the video, grate the carrot and mix this well. Here the ingredients must be mixed very well. And this is how the consistency would be looking like. And into this add the cooked quinoa and again mix it well. After mixing it properly, transfer into a serving bowl and garnish with the carrot as shown in the video. That's it, healthy quinoa khichdi. Here the ingredients which I have specified over here is for almost 4 members. It's a healthy recipe and people who are wishing to reduce their weight can choose this recipe and it will be opted as a healthy food diet. And if you like this recipe, please do like, share and also subscribe and click on the bell icon for more updating videos. Enjoy the day!